means is a central system. Okay, centralized system. Hub means. Okay. There will be two things. One is hub. One more is node, guys. Okay, node means remote system. Node is also called as remote system. Okay, node means okay remote system. Everyone keep your IP address ready. Okay, everyone keep your IP address ready. 1 second, guys.
Oh, bread kawan. బాగుందా లెచ్చుడే బాగుందా లెచ్చుడే
Okay, I want everyone to keep okay IP address ready, guys. Okay, okay. What is that? Okay, what I was telling. Okay, actually it will be in real time whenever you want to. In real time, whenever you want to execute. Okay, whenever you want to perform compatible testing, means whenever you want to perform cross browser testing, we will not do it in one system because okay it will be very burden to the system. So for that what we are going to do is we'll be executing okay in different system. I want to execute the same. I want to execute the same framework. Okay, everyone has done this framework. Okay, I hope everyone has completed the Selenium and the framework. Okay, the same framework I want to execute in different system. Now I want to execute okay for an example I want to execute okay my framework in Shashank system. Okay, and also I want to execute my framework in anyone system. Okay, those who have IP address ready, I will execute my framework in your system. No need of you guys need not to open any Eclipse. You guys need not nothing. Framework is also not required file. Only one Selenium jar file, Chrome driver.exe file. If you have that one, that is more than it. I can execute my framework in any one of your systems. We'll see that. How to do that, sir? We'll see that. Okay. First thing is, first you guys need to find the IP address of your system. Find the IP address of your system, guys. First. Okay. Keep it ready. Okay. Make a note of your IP address of the system if you want me to execute in your system. Okay. Okay, for an example, if I want to execute in Shashank system, I need Shashank system's IP address. If I want to execute, okay, execute in Abhijit systems, if I want to execute my framework in Abhijit system, how to execute? We'll see that. Okay, now let me open the framework. First of all, we'll see what is how to achieve that. Okay, there are two things in real time in Selenium Grid. Important is two things. One is up, and one more is okay, and one more is node. Node means remote system. Hub means okay I am going to make my system as a hub. Means it's a centralized system. Okay, with through my system I can connect n number of hubs. Okay, okay, n number of hubs. Okay, means maximum like we used to connect with the 5. Okay, 5 to 10. Okay, at a time we can connect maximum 5. Okay, because 5 threads are allowed, so maximum 5. But I can after that, after Shashank system I can also connect with other systems. Okay, I can also connect with the Devdutta Mishra systems, or I can connect with Ankit Singh systems, Alok Ranjan systems. Okay, we'll see that now. Okay, how to okay for an example, you know how to execute this framework. Execute double click on test engine. then execute this test. Okay, .xml. Here create customer. I have create customer. What is there inside the create customer? We'll see that one second. Go to com.actitime.test. One second, guys. Give me a minute. Okay, in real time we'll be having three packages. You know that one is generics package, form package, one more is test package. In test package, I have only one test case, that is called create customer. In create customer, I have not written anything. Okay, in create customer, I have not written anything. Okay, what is there in generics? You already know base class, file name, listener implementation class. And what is there in form class? Login page class and home page class. Okay, in home page element, in login page we have login page elements. Okay, means username, password and login button element. In base class, okay, we have, okay, one is before test, after test. Will be before test is used for opening the browser, after test is used for closing the browser. Okay, in before method, what we have in before method, login program. We have a program for means enter the username, enter the password, click on login. In the after method, logout program. I have written a program to logout. Now what I want is I want to execute. Here for an example, if I execute this testng.suit file, it will execute. Okay, it will execute in my system. Okay, everyone knows this. Okay, let me execute this testng.xml file. Okay, something happened. Will give me a minute. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Okay, let me okay, done. Okay, now if I execute, it will just do login and logout. Okay, let me execute this suit file. Okay, we'll see what happens. Okay, first it is going to open the browser, enter the URL. Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, now it is open the browser. Next step is what? Enter, maximize it, then enter the URL. Open the browser, enter the URL, then log into application, then do logout, then close the browser. Only this much. Only this much we are going to automate. Okay, this much I have automated. Everything is there. Data driven is there. Okay, generic library is there. Everything we have used. Okay, open the browser. Done. Next step. Enter the URL. Done. Okay. Next step is what? Login. Enter the username. Enter the password is done. Sorry. It is enter the username, password also enter. Okay. See, close the browser also. If I see the report, you can see the report. You see a green color. You can see the report. Let us go to console, or else how to see the report? Refresh your Java project, right click, refresh, then test output folder. Click on emailable icon report. You can see the report. See here. Test is create customer successfully executed. Now, okay, this one normally everyone knows, but still I want now the same thing I want to execute in for an example in other system. I want to execute in Shashank or Prithvi Kumar or Devidutta or Abhijit, any one system. Okay, who do you have IP address ready? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I got one IP address from Rishabh. Okay, anyone else? Okay, first let me execute in Rishabh system. Rishabh, do this. Okay, I want you to create one new folder. Okay, like node. Create one new folder like node. Create one folder. In that I want you to put. Okay, I want you to put one Selenium jar file and chrome.exe file.
Okay,
Let me show you. See here, what I want to do is create one new folder called node in the desktop. Okay, then copy the 84. Okay, download 84 version of chromedriver.exe file. Try to download Chrome driver version of 84.
Okay, sir.
Other also, if anyone wants me to execute in your system, I want you to download Chrome driver version 84. Okay, driver executable Chrome driver.exe file should be 84 version, and then Selenium jar file should be ready. Copy and put it inside the node folder in the desktop. Copy and put it inside the node folder in the desktop. Okay. Sabir system is ready. Sabir, you also do the same. Okay, create one new folder called node in the desktop. Okay, and then after that, copy the 84 version of Chrome driver.exe file and Selenium jar file. Paste it inside the node folder. Both Rishabh and Shabir. Anyone ready? Is also fine. 83 chromedriver.exe file. If it is 83, is also fine.
Yes, sir. My system.
Notepad and type this command. Let me paste it. One second. I will show you what to do. Okay. Create one node file. Like this in the desktop. The node folder in the desktop. Then copy the Selenium jar. Okay. And let me show you Selenium jar. This Selenium jar copy where you have downloaded. Then paste it inside the node. Rishabh and Sabir. Okay, you have to do this. Paste it inside the node. Say I have pasted and Chrome driver.exe file. Okay, copy the Chrome driver.exe file. It should be 84 or 83. Okay, best is 84. Because check which version Chrome driver version you guys are using. That version of the driver executable should be there. Okay, paste it. Here. After that, 2 files done.
Yes, sir. 2 files done. Selenium jar and Chrome driver.exe.
Okay, are you able to see my screen now?
Yes.
Rishabh and Sabir. Okay, now change the file name. Change this Selenium jar file as, instead of Selenium standalone server, rename it as s.jar. Okay, rename. Right click on Selenium and rename it as, here right click and rename. S.jar. Same way, chromedriver.exe file, you change it as rename cd.exe. cd.exe. After that, one second, guys. I'll give you one command. Open the note. Open your notepad. Open your notepad and type this command. Type this command. Open the notepad and then type this command.
Sir, please paste this command in chat room.
Yes, let me paste it in the chat. I have pasted the command in the chat. Done?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. After pasting it, after opening the notepad and saving it, save the file inside this note folder. Save the file inside the note folder as any file name, but extension should be .dat. Extension should be .dat. Okay, do that. You have to save the file inside this node file. And now, what changes you have to do is, whenever you want to use Selenium Grid, okay, inside the base class, wherever you're opening the browser, no, there we never use this Chrome driver. Instead of Chrome driver, we will be using what? Remote web driver. Okay, we will be using what? Remote web driver. Okay, and we are going to use the last. It has got okay different constructors, overloaded constructors.
Sagar.
Okay, it has got different constructors, guys. Overloaded. It will ask you last one you selected. Remote address and capabilities. Okay. Instead of driver equals new web driver, you have to do this. Here it will take two arguments. Okay. One is which system. Okay, in which system you want to run, and one more is okay in which browser you want to run. How to give URL. Okay, there is a class called URL. Create an object of URL. URL RA equals new URL. Okay, create an object of URL. Here you have to give the address. Okay, that Rishabh systems. If I want to run it in Rishabh system, okay, if I want to run it in Rishabh system, that Rishabh system, that IP address you have to give. How to give the IP address? How to give the IP address is 1 second. Okay, 1 second. Let me copy the IP address. 192.168.1.8. This is okay. This is Rishabh This is Rishabh's what IP
IP
address,
address.
and this one is port number, guys. Default port number of Selenium, and this one is the web driver. In that, I am giving it as up. Means my system is the up. Okay, my system is the up. And okay, now, and one more thing, you have to use one thing called desired capabilities. Desired capabilities, DC equals new desired capabilities. Create an object, then you have to tell which browser you want to run. I want to execute in set browser name. I will give it here as Chrome. Chrome, Chrome. And here you have to pass that reference variable RA, and here you have to pass DC. Now I am running it in Rishabh system. Okay. Now it will execute instead of my system, it will execute in Rishabh system. Okay. These are the changes you have to. What is this? 1 second, I will repeat. Don't worry. What is this much? Okay, I have done this much changes. I will repeat it first. Let me execute. Rishabh, done? Are you done with that? Share me your screen.
Yes, sir. I'm sharing my screen.
Rishabh, present you. Okay, let me stop sharing. You just share me your screen. Okay. The note file, note folder, Rishabh. Okay. Now cd.exe fine. Now double click on that file, myfile.bat file. No. 1 second. Rename. No, don't double click. Rename it. It should be, extension should be .bat. Myfile.bat. Rename.
Okay. Actually, sir,
rename.
extension
Click
is
on
not.
rename and extension. Give the extension as .bat. Myfile. Enter. Fine. Now you double click it. Double click.
Yeah, while double clicking,
Okay,
it
one
is
second.
opening.
Command prompt. It has to open command prompt. Is it opening the command prompt?
Yeah, it is opening and closing suddenly.
Okay. Yes, sir. Have you given capital or small letter?
Small.
Check it whether it is small or capital, or change it. Change it to small letter. Rename. Change it to small letter. Give it as. Okay, fine. Enter. Now you open. Right click on edit. Right click on that myfile.bat. Right click. Edit. 1 second. Let me open my. One second. Let me compare it. Okay. 1 second. Desktop. Open. Go to desktop. Close this. All this command prompt you close. Okay. Here, open the node folder. Open the node folder.
Huh?
Open the node folder.
Okay.
No. Node folder.
Oh.
Here in address bar, their top node is there. Not there.
Node
Type
main
CMD.
Layer.
CMD. Enter. Enter. And now you paste that. Right. Control V. Click on enter. Okay, you type it. Whatever the file names I have given now, same thing you have to type it. cd.exe, it is also correct. Webdriver.chrome.driver. Okay, Shabir, you share it. You check it. Shabir, share me your script. 1 second, Rishabh. I will come back.
Okay.
Shabir, you check it. Open, present your script, Shabir. Okay, now type this command. Now I will tell you one command. Type Java space -jar -jar space s.jar space s.jar. Enter. Shabir,
अबे इसको
1 second. There. Not here. There you get it. Open the jar file only delete it. Jar file only delete it. Copy paste one more time. The jar file you have to copy the Selenium standalone jar file and paste it one more time. Open the note folder. Delete that jar file. Yes, delete it. Copy the jar file and paste it here. Rename. Don't do anything. Just select rename. And I have to copy that entire file. Control C. No. Control C. Escape. Press escape. I want to copy that entire Selenium server standalone. Something is coming. No. Entire thing I want you to copy. Copy. Control C. Okay. Copied. Have you copied the file name? That file name I want you to copy. How to copy? Rename and Control C. Control C.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you type command. Now you type CMD in that address bar.
Okay.
Enter. Okay. Now you type the same command. Okay. Java space -jar and paste that file name. Java sorry, you didn't give the jar extension. Yes, got it. You also do it, Rishabh. 1 second, let me show you. You do it. Okay, it will come now. Okay, got it, guys. 1 second. Let me share now. 1 second. Rishabh and Shabir, both you do this. 1 second. Stop sharing your screen. Rishabh and Shabir, 1 second. First, you make your this one visible extension. Everyone, overall not, and go to control panel. Go to control panel or file explorer option. Click on file explorer option. Both are okay. 1 second. Click on this file explorer option in control panel. Go to control panel, then click on the file explorer option. Or directly search for file explorer option. Both are. One second. My system got stuck. Unselect this checkbox. Explorer.
Yes, sir. Now I'm able to see extension. So I'll remove one exe because
Yeah.
earlier I have.
What is the direct, uh, rename it. See, now this also yes dot jar. Only only one bad you make. Okay, and this also yes dot jar. Rename it to yes dot jar. Okay, and now you will double click on click it, that my file dot bad. Okay, see here guys, now it is working. Click on allow access. Click on allow access. Now I can execute my same framework in Rishabh. Okay, let it be like that, Rishabh. I will click on run button. Now it will execute entire thing in your system. Okay, I will open testng.xml file. I will click on run button. I have clicked on run button, guys. Now the framework has to execute in Rishabh system. Okay, we'll see that whether it is going to execute or not. Let me check it. Let it be like that. Okay, it is taking time to connect. What is the IP address? Is it correct? One second. What is the IP address? 168.1.8. Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Let me recheck once.
Okay, it got failed, guys. Okay, it is got failed. IP address, whatever you have given is not.
No, sir. I have one.
1.8. Okay, let me check it out. What I have given. No, not that. No. Next, yes. Next one. Yes. Click on apply and okay. No, don't do that. Let it be like okay. Click on apply and okay. Apply and okay. And now okay. See here, rename this jar. Same network. That was the issue. It should be in under the same network. Okay, I'm connecting with the same network. One second.
Have to stop staring.
See file. That's it. Everything has been executed. Same way, I can also connect with one more system. Okay, in that system, today it's already late. Okay, I will teach you things. 2 text blocks you create. Copy this to 2 text blocks. In that, here parallel, give the parallel equals tests. TESTS test. Okay, and name you give it as this is test 1, and this one you give it as test 2, and you give the parameter also. Inside this one parameter tag you have to use it. The parameter or parameters. IP address is same. Okay, in one I will give the name is browser. Value is here Chrome. I will give it as Chrome. Here value is Firefox. Okay, here name I will give it as browser. I need to receive the parameter in the base class. What I will do, I will put one @parameter. this instead of this, I will pass here browse.